a renewable energy generator from an old washing machine. Don't forget to like, share and follow if you're not already doing it. So in this video I'm going to go through how I took this washing machine apart. I first started off by disconnecting cables and cutting the little cable holders. I then went and started disconnecting pipes by the clips. I don't believe in cutting stuff, I'll just cut clamps and cable holders, but I won't cut pipes. You'd never know who might need some of this stuff before it gets thrown in the bin, obviously. All the cables will be kept and separated into their own scrap pile. So there's one other clip on the front here which keeps the door waterproof. It's a little bit of a bugger, and then at the back bottom you have your elements and heating. So once I down connected, it was the springs, and the springs are on these nifty little clamps that you push out with a flathead screwdriver, and that allows you to take the top bend of the spring out. I then went at taking the bottom of the washing machine, but this was a bad idea because of rust issues at the bottom, and I ended up having to cut the washing machine anyway. Again, whenever I had it turned up, I disconnected anything at the bottom, which was just a pipe and one cable, and then there was strengthener bars around it, so I had to take them off before I cut, so as whenever I cut I would be able to bend the metal up to let the drum out. It turned out much easier to cut both ends, and then once I had them cut I could split it all open and the drum fell out. From here I started splitting the drum. What I'm trying to get here is the little shaft and the stub that's on the shaft. It's a small piece, but it's well worth it with all the work. So there, I've screwed the screw back into the shaft so as I don't damage it whenever I'm taking it out. And I'm left with the spider on the back of the drum. More WD-40 of course, leave it overnight, and then the next day I disconnect. I started off with the normal ratchet before I went with the dugga because this one that I'm grinding at the minute, I went at it with the dugga and I cleaned the head of it. So then just put the pull bar under it and it all pops off. Fire pit. In this one I'm taking the bearing holder, the stator holder and the rotor holder all out. This is the main part. So just clipping away any excess plastic that might get in my way, and then I'm using a jigsaw to go round. I always leave one of the legs bigger in this, so then I have a mounting point. But I think whenever you see the end of this, it's so big, it's great. Anyway, to take the spider bracket off is a different story. A lot of investigation done, and thank my friend Shawnee very much. We found out that inside it was actually moulded onto the spud, and I damaged the spud a little bit taking it off, you'll see here, where I had to grind the points down. But anyway, that's all the pieces out that you need to build a renewable energy device. I'll just show you a picture of it all set up. Don't forget to like, share and follow please. There's all the bits you need out of the washing machine. There's building it, and that's what it